Hi beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Just Beauty with Julie, and today I figured that I would show you my favorite red lip combinations. I have been trying to do this red lip combination video since the holidays, so today I am filming it. It is a chore getting red lipstick off your lips, but I will show you different variations of different reds because they have like blue red, they have more of an orangey red. Like I like a brighter red for myself, but I will be showing you quite a few of my favorites. So this is something that you would be interested in seeing. Please stay tuned because I will be showing you my favorite red lip combos and maybe some others, but definitely my favorites. Okay, stay tuned for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. We're trying to get 500 subscribers by March, and if I do, I'll be giving away a really nice giveaway. The closer that I get to the 500 mark, I'll give more details about the giveaway. So please share this video. Thank you. Okay, so before I start applying the actual lipstick, I just wanted to tell you about my favorite liners. This is the MAC Ruby Woo liner. It is definitely my favorite red lipstick of all time. Then I have the color Beet, which is also a red. It's like a deep red, like the color of a beet, but it looks good with a lot of different red lipsticks. I also have Cherry, which is another staple. Before there was a Ruby Woo lip pencil, there was this Cherry lip pencil. I've been wearing this Cherry lip pencil for years. Like, it's definitely still available because I checked before I started filming this video. And then they have this basic red, which is one of their chromographic pencils. I don't think it's still available. I never used it before because I always had a bunch of the Cherry lipsticks, but we're gonna maybe use this one today. I'm gonna see because I really don't want to use too many things that is not available to you guys. And I also have this new one. It's the JUVIA'S Ruby Luxe liner. I've never used it before. We might try that too. But these are my three staples right here. Cherry, the Beet, and the Ruby Woo. I am going to start off with one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite lipstick formulas. This is the SMASHBOX Always On Liquid Lip. And this is in the color Bawse. It's like an orangey red, but it's so pretty. What I don't like about these lipsticks is that they dry out very fast. Even if you're not using it, it dries out. So you might use it 1 month and come back 6 months later and it's dried out and you haven't even used it but that one time. That's what I really hate about these SMASHBOX liquid lipsticks, but it's my favorite. So I'm going to continue to wear it. So I think that I will get the Cherry lip liner and I'm going to line my lip. I'm not a big overliner because my lips are already pretty full. Now when you use a lip liner, sometimes I like to go in, if I know that I'm going to be eating and the formula of the lipstick is not a long wearing lipstick, then I will, you know, also fill in color on my lip. This one is a little dry and I don't want to open up a new one because, like I said, they dry out so fast, but it's one of my favorite colors. That is such a pretty red. This is like a bright red, but I love it. Like I said, it's one of my favorite reds, and it's very long lasting. It feels very comfortable on the lips, and you could even get a darker lip pencil like this Beet pencil and give it a little dimension. See how that lip liner changes? It just gives you a nice outline. That is one of my favorites. I have so many favorite reds, but this is one of my favorite red lips. This is, like I said, the Always On SMASHBOX liquid lipstick in the color Bawse, B-A-W-S-E. I want to say this retails for $24 and the pencil is like $19, but it's such a pretty combination. I love that. Okay, my next favorite is the SMASHBOX Bang Bang. I'm not even going to use the liner with this one because the way the applicator is, you can make your own line. So I usually don't use a lip liner when I'm using this. This is another one of my favorites. It's so pretty. This is like an orange red. Again, like I was telling you, these colors, although it looks very similar to the other one, they are different. They dry up so fast. Like, they really dry up so fast. They need to come out with something that helps them revitalize themselves when you get ready to wear it, like some kind of drop. It's such a bright, pretty color. I love wearing this one in the summertime. I think I have another one of these, but I don't want to open it because if I don't wear it until 6 months from now, it might be dried out. It's like such a pretty color. I feel like it's not showing up to its fullest potential. Favorite colors. I want you guys to see how pretty it is. I don't know if you guys could really see it, but it's such a beautiful color. If you get a new one, if you love red lipstick, this is like so nice in the summertime. Do you see the color of this red? It's like an orangey red, but it's so freaking pretty. And you don't even need a lip liner. It looks like I have a liner on and I don't. Like, it's a wonderful, wonderful color. A stunning red. Just look at that. It lasts all day. It feels wonderful on the lips. You can eat, you can drink, you could do everything. And this stays on. It comes in a plethora of colors. Like, I want to say they have about 40 different colors. So it's not only red, but this is one of my favorite formulations. It's just that they dry out so fast. I just love the color. Those two are some of my favorite red lips. I love the formula. I love the color. You can see the difference in the color of this red as opposed to the last red I had on. On to our next combination. Okay. I love these red lips. I can't help it. But yeah, I don't even want to take this one off. I should have waited for it last because I really don't want to take this off. I've never tried this lip combo before, but I like these two colors, so I'm going to use this. This is the Juvia's Place Ruby. The pencil feels nice, but my lips are already feeling sore. It feels nice and moisturizing. I needed something moisturizing after those two last liquid lipsticks that were very drying. This is a new one from Milani. It's from their Fetish lipstick line. This is called the color Poppy. It's like a really pretty terracotta. Oh, look at that. And this is a matte lipstick. This feels really good on the lips. Both of them were very moisturizing, the lip liner and the lipstick. This color is so freaking pretty. Do you see that? And this is a matte lipstick from their Fetish lipstick line. The color is very pretty. I think it's very nice. I like it because it makes your teeth look brighter. A blue red will always do that to you. It's gonna always make your teeth look whiter than they are. This feels wonderful on the lips. It really does. It's not a favorite of mine because I never used it before, but I really like it and I will definitely use it again. The reason why I don't wear a lot of traditional stick lipsticks is because a lot of them come off, they don't last long. The liquid lipsticks, they last a very long time. You can eat, you can drink, and you may only have to touch up maybe once, twice the most. But with regular lipstick, every time you eat or drink, you have to really reapply it, and who has time for that? I know I don't, but I really like that. That's the Poppy lipstick from Milani and the Ruby lip liner from Juvia's Place. Very nice. So let's go on to our next one. Okay, we're gonna try this Ruby pencil again from Juvia's Place. This will be one of those lipsticks that I line my lip and fill them in because I'm using a traditional lipstick and they don't always last long. It looks like I put a burgundy on up at the top. It's because my lips are so many different colors. I'm using the Perfect Red from Juvia's Place. Let's see if it really is the Perfect Red. This one I never tried either. I think this is supposed to be a matte lipstick. It feels wonderful. It's so moisturizing. It feels great on the lips though. Sometimes when I have a red lip on, I will put like a pink in the center, or I'll put like an orange in the center depending on what I'm wearing. But I really like this. It feels wonderful on the lips. And if you are a person that really likes a red lip but you like a traditional lipstick, this is perfect. It feels so good on the lips. I don't know whether or not it's long lasting because I'm not gonna have it on that long, but it feels wonderful. Can you see it? Okay, I like it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do two more lipsticks. My favorite, Ruby Woo, and then my favorite, because these are all my favorite. The ones that I said, the first two and these last two are my favorite. I just really wanted to give you guys some variation and show you some traditional red lipsticks, but this Ruby Woo is my favorite. My mouth is so dry. And this is one of those matte lipsticks that is matte. Ooh, it hurts to put this on. Tomorrow my mouth is gonna be on fire and I'll be thinking something else is wrong. Like, what the heck happened to my lips? The cherry was my favorite combination back in the days. Yeah, see the difference? Here it is, Ruby Woo. Now this is a matte lipstick. This is when you know you have a matte lipstick on. When it feels like it's dry and it's crumbling on your lips. It has like a little bit of moisture. Back in the days, it was popping, and this was my favorite red lip, and I think everybody else didn't make a difference who you was, what your complexion was. This Ruby Woo was it. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so this Ruby Woo is my favorite red traditional lip, and now they've come out with a liquid version. They've also come out with a lip gloss. To me, like, you won't ever see me in a red gloss. I think that's a bit much for me, but not that it doesn't look nice on some people, it's just not for me. But this Ruby Woo is like the perfect red lip. It's the perfect like blue red, but it's bright and it's pretty, and I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. This is what it looks like. I'm sure some of you guys have this Ruby Woo lip. Anyway, that's my Ruby Woo. I'm gonna do my last one and then we're gonna end this video because my mouth is on fire. Okay, I was given a whole spiel about this favorite red lipstick of mine, which is from Sephora. It is their Sephora brand. Years ago, I had a coworker that was wearing it, and I was like, what is that lipstick that you are wearing? And she told me. I still think I like this cherry better. Yeah. It's just brighter. This was the original with the Ruby Woo, because they didn't have a Ruby Woo lineup back then. So, but this is my favorite. It's the Sephora. It's the #1, and it's called Always Red. This is my favorite. It has a moussey texture. Once it dries down, it is the most beautiful red lip that you have ever seen. At least to me. I usually put 2 coats on. But do you see this color? Do you see how pretty that color is? And once I put the second coat on, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. This is my favorite. I think I probably have about 10 of these. And I couldn't find any of the ones that are open. So I had to open this one today, but it is my favorite. I'm waiting for this to dry so you can see what it looked like with the second coat. Look at my fingers, they're red. All of this off and on, my lips are really paying for it. Okay, so this color right here, this is my favorite red of all time. It stays on long. It's a bit drying, but once it dries down, it's like the most beautiful red that you ever want to wear, especially for like a darker skin tone. But it's for anybody. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed my red lip combination video and that you continue to watch my other videos. This red lipstick is beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, that you will subscribe, share, watch, like, and comment on these videos so that we can grow our channel. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers by March. Once I get close to 400, then I will get all the details of the giveaway and what I'm gonna be giving away, when the drawing is gonna be. So please share this video as much as you can. Watch it, like it, comment, subscribe, watch my other videos. Please tell all your friends that you know that love makeup, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.